What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to learn about connectivity. Why this is important is that connectivity will enable us to connect the Arduino to other hardware and software. When we talk about connectivity, there are a lot of different connections we can make with the Arduino. When we look at the tech you have in your home, the tech is either connected with wires or you're creating a wireless connection. We've been using a wired connection to communicate with the Arduino. What are some of the other solutions we can use for connectivity? Infrared, IR, is something you have probably used if you've ever picked up a TV remote to control your TV. This uses infrared light to wirelessly communicate data. The light is directional, meaning that you need to point the remote at the TV for it to work. Infrared is great for short-range communication. Radio frequency, RF, is another technology you are probably familiar with as well. Radio waves can transmit over long distances. Using radio waves, you can connect two devices that are kilometers away from one another. Bluetooth is a short-distance communication, and all modern phones have Bluetooth. Bluetooth is great because you can pair devices to make it easier to connect. It works well as a one-to-one connection. Also, it's pretty cool to use something named after a Viking. Wi-Fi uses radio waves, which are commonly used to create local networks where multiple devices can connect with one another. Wi-Fi is great because you can have a lot of devices connected to a single network. Cellular communication. 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE, 5G? Your phone uses this technology to communicate. It is thought that with the emergence of 5G, that it will have a profound effect on the Internet of Things, because it will allow high volumes of data to be communicated with devices in real time. One thing you may have been thinking to yourself is that the Arduino does not have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so how can I connect using this? You can purchase various shields for the Arduino depending on your project. The shield piggybacks onto your Arduino and gives it extra functionality. Wired. So while you can create projects that are wireless, and there are lots of possibilities, the first question to ask with any project is if you need a wireless connection. If not, wired is the easiest solution. We will be using a wired connection with USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. There actually used to be serial ports on your computer. However, these have been replaced with USB as it sends data a lot faster. In our scenario, we will connect the Arduino to your computer and make a server that will control our interactions. With the server running, we will use a web browser to talk to the server. This might seem a little complex at first. However, we will do this step by step. As we explore this functionality, we can connect to multiple data points and make applications that are pretty cool and provide complex functionality. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of some of the different methods you can use to increase the connectivity of your Arduino.